Let's take a look at the headlines of this week. Tesla makes entry into Indian market. Maharashtra commits to strengthen power distribution network to attract industries. Power Finance Corporation launches Rs 5,000 crore public NCD issue. Government approves procurement of 83 LCA Tejas from HAL.
Hello, you are watching Mojo for Industry, India's first mobile journalism platform for industry. In this weekly wrap-up, we are going to take you through some of the latest developments in Indian industry.
The electrical vehicle manufacturing giant Tesla has finally entered India by registering the company in Bangalore. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa tweeted to inform that Tesla is setting up its research and development center in Bangalore to commence its India operations soon. According to reports, Tesla is also in the process of conducting a location search for setting up their operations. The governments of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu have had talks with the company, who are also considering local partnerships for sourcing. Maharashtra government plans to spend Rs 2,500 crore per annum for infrastructure development for state-owned distribution company Mahabitran. Of 8,500 crore would be spent on energization of agricultural pumps by conventional method and 1,000 crore for strengthening infrastructure in industrial and urban areas. Addressing a review meeting of the Mahabitran officials on Thursday, Energy Minister Dr. Nitin Rawat said that the Maharashtra government is trying to attract industries by strengthening and creating more power infrastructure in MIDC areas. Rs 3,000 crore would be spent in the next 3 years to strengthen infrastructure in urban and industrial areas, including addition of new substations, new lines would be constructed and many more transformers would be installed. To implement this major plan, he has directed all regional directors to finalize a time-bound action plan in a week. State-owned Power Finance Corporation has opened its 5,000 crore public issue of secured, redeemable, non-convertible debentures on 15 January. The base issue size is Rs 500 crore with an option to retain oversubscription of up to Rs 4,500 crore aggregating up to 5,000 crores, which is within the self-limit of Rs 10,000 crores. The NCDs are of face value of Rs 1,000 each. The Indian government has approved procurement of 73 LCA Tejas Mark 1A fighter aircrafts and 10 LCA Tejas Mark 1 trainer aircrafts from Hindustan Aeronautics, that is HAL, at the cost of Rs 45,696 crore, along with design and development of infrastructure sanctions worth Rs 1,202 crore. Light Combat Aircraft Mark 1A variant is an indigenously designed, developed and manufactured state-of-the-art modern 4+ generation fighter aircraft. This aircraft is equipped with critical operational capabilities of active electronically scanned array radar, beyond visual range missile, electronic warfare suite and air-to-air refueling would be a potent platform to meet the operational requirements of Indian Air Force.
That's the end of today's weekly bulletin. Thank you, and we will see you in our next bulletin next week with a promise of keeping you updated with all latest industry developments. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Goodbye.